Thread lifts are one of the most misunderstood procedures in aesthetic medicine. Some people say thread lifts ruined my face. Others say thread lifts changed my life. So, which one is true? Today, I want to explain why thread lifts fail and just as importantly, when they actually work beautifully. No fear, no exaggeration, just honest medical explanation. Hi, I'm Dr. Shadi Shrimoy, aesthetic physician and founder of Rejuve Aesthetics Guwahati, and let's talk right about the thread lifts the right way. Most patients come to me saying, Doctor, I want lifting but I don't want surgery. And somewhere along the way, thread lifts got marketed as non-surgical facelift. But the first problem and the biggest problem is thread lifts are not a replacement for surgery. They're a supporting treatment, not a miracle. When expectations are wrong, disappointment is guaranteed. Let me explain thread lifts simply. Threads are placed under the skin to reposition sagging tissue slightly upwards. They work by giving mechanical lift, creating mild support, stimulating collagen over time. What they do not do, they do not remove excess skin or replace lost volume, change bone structure. Think of threads as safety pin to the fabric that is your skin. They adjust the drape, they cannot change the size of the cloth. Now let's talk honestly about failure because that is what people need to hear. Reason 1, wrong patient selection. Threads fail when skin is very loose, space is heavy, aging in advance. In these cases, gravity always wins. Threads cannot fight decades of sagging. Reason 2, expecting surgical results. If someone expects sharp jawline like surgery, major neck tightening, long-term dramatic lift, threads will disappoint you. Threads are subtle, not dramatic. Reason 3, ignoring facial anatomy. Faces age differently. Some faces lose volume, some faces sag heavily, some faces thin out. Placing threads without understanding anatomy leads to irregularities, short-lived results, patient dissatisfaction, etc. Reason 4, poor technique or overuse of too many threads or wrong direction can lead to pulling sensation, visible threads, artificial look. More is not better. You have to understand that. Reason 5, no maintenance plan. Threads are not do once and forget. Without skincare, collagen support and lifestyle management, results fade faster. Now let's talk about right side of the story because thread lifts can work beautifully for your skin. Thread lifts work best when skin is mildly to moderately saggy, not extremely loose. Face is heavy, not hollow. Threads reposition heaviness better than emptiness. So, you have to choose what treatment is best suitable for you. Patient wants subtle lifting, not dramatic transformation. Surgery is not desired or not possible due to downtime, fear, or medical reasons by the patient. Threads are a part of a larger plan. Combined with skin treatments such as HIFU and other things, volume correction, or energy-based devices, in the right patient, thread lifts gives a refreshed, rested, and supported look. Not done, artificial, just better. That's all. I always tell my patients this. Threads don't change your face. They support it. They don't stop aging. They slow certain visible effects of aging. And they don't replace surgery. They delay it for the right candidate. When patients understand this, satisfaction goes up dramatically. Thread lifts are not ideal if skin is extremely loose, neck sagging is severe, there is significant volume loss, expectations are unrealistic. In these cases, saying no is ethical aesthetic medicine. So let me leave you with this. Thread lifts are not bad procedures because they fail because they are oversold, poorly selected, or misunderstood. In the right hands, for the right face, at the right time, thread lifts are valuable tool. Not magic, not fake, just honest aesthetic medicine. If this video helped you understand thread lifts better, subscribe to this channel and follow us and write in your comments because here we don't promise miracles, we explain reality clearly and safely. I am Dr. Shardvi Shrimoy and I'll see you in my next video.